Come check out my new pressure cooker from WantJoin. It comes with everything that you need to get cooking. So you have the lid, all of the handles, a cleaning sponge, and a seal to put on the inside of the lid to keep it airtight. And it also comes with a precision weight valve. It's super easy to put the pressure cooker together. Seriously, if I can do it, so can you. All you need is a screwdriver to put this set together, and it's really as easy as that. See how easily I'm able to put the screws in to both the lid as well as the pressure cooker itself. Then all you do is put the plastic seal inside so that it really grips tightly to the actual pressure cooker. Then all I'm doing is screwing in the handles. Seriously, it could not be easier, and there's a really handy user manual that shows you exactly what to do to make sure that your pressure cooker is all set for whenever you're ready to cook in it. Today, I'm going to be making my grandmother's favorite mac and cheese recipe as well as a chicken recipe I found online. I am so excited to see how they turn out. Now, I also have the handle for the lid part on, and then we are also going to want to put on the pressure valve on the top so that you know when your food is ready. Here, I'm just putting in the macaroni, adding some water, and then all we're going to do is let it sit with the pressure cooker on the stove on high. While I'm cooking, I want to share some important features about the pressure cooker with you guys. So this pressure cooker allows you to cook your food 50% faster than normal cooking. The 11.6 psi balanced pressure cooking speeds up the stewing of ingredients without diminishing the nutrition of the food, so that nutrients still stays in even though it's cooking 50% faster. It's also extremely safe and durable. The pressure cooker equips multiple safety functions, such as the pressure indicator valve, emergency pressure relief safety device, and a pressure limiting valve over the pressure gasket release window, a secure locking mechanism to ensure risk-free opening and closing. Now, I've opened and closed this, and I can say without a doubt it was extremely sturdy, and I felt really safe doing so. It also has a steel multi-layer base, and the U-shaped cooking area distributes heat evenly and faster heat transfer to reduce sticking. You can use this pressure cooker on a gas stove as well as an induction cooker. It's a 6-quart pressure cooker, so it really holds a ton of food. It's perfect for a big family meal. It is seriously that easy to use. Just put your food in and wait for it to be ready. The pressure cooker helps tenderize beef in just 20 minutes, and a whole chicken would be finished in around 10 minutes. Now here you can see I'm starting on the chicken dish. This chicken dish is super simple. All I'm doing is adding olive oil, then the chicken itself, and then some salt and pepper. Once the chicken is browned, then I am going to put in more stock. But until that happens, we just wait and see how the chicken comes out. And it is looking super brown and nice. Here I'm adding the stock, so it's going to be super tender. It will be the most tender chicken that you've ever had. Then I'm just adding some onions and some carrots to add a little bit of flavor and also to be a great side with the chicken. The precision weight valve on the pressure cooker is made of stainless steel for durability, and it makes cooking safe and saves time for you as well. The main body of the product is made with an excellent stainless steel material that's corrosion resistant, sturdy, and durable, which makes it evenly heated as well. The multi-layer stainless steel composite pot bottom is sturdy and durable as well. In addition to being used in conventional gas stoves, it can also be used in induction cookers, which is convenient for you to cook in a variety of scenarios. The double screw and fixed handles ensure that they will not loosen or break when moving heavy objects inside of your pot.